So now let me answer questions from the February 22nd class. And this is from Gerald. When we cut the cord, how is the energy between individuals changed and for what period of time? Can we change the type of energy automatically? So this is a huge question. If you have a couple hours, I can go through it all, but I'm going to give you a short answer. So what I'm going to talk about more in the class is about how you change um, uh, cutting the cords, or how come it's so important because for you to do better work as a practitioner. However, cutting the cords would also apply to some other extreme situations in which would have a different set of rules. For example, I work a lot with the military, special forces. I work with police departments. I work with a lot of places where there's real adversity. If you're dealing with adversity, you've got to bring in some other factors. Those will be for another time and for a more advanced class. But in working with individuals, the real good situation that comes up quite a bit is when a couple they're married, they get a divorce, and one of the parties is real upset, or is trying to get things, or is trying to get back together with someone else. But you understand how these uh, uh, you may have experienced this from a distance, someone else having this situation. So what you do is you just keep on doing Ho'oponopono, cutting the cords between you and the other person, cutting the cords between you and the other person, cutting the cords again between you and the other person, maybe 4 or 5, 6, 10 times a day if it's real extreme. What will happen is the other person after a while will just lose you, and because they're learning lessons, they'll just go to another person and connect with them and just forget all about you. So the more times that you just do the Ho'opono real quickly, know that you can and the other person can connect with you. But the idea is that you want to get them to control someone else. And so if they can't find you, and this will mostly be unconscious to them or to you, it's a much better way of doing things. And with that, know that we're going to get into more advanced techniques working with the Ho'oponopono. We'll do that the next class. Thank you very much. Is that decent?